Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use Otter AI for students in 2026. If you want to take smarter notes, transcribe lectures, and stay organized throughout your studies, this guide will walk you through everything step by step. First, open your web browser and sign in to your Otter AI account. If you don't have an account yet, create a free one using your email, Google, or Microsoft account. Once you're on the dashboard, you can start using Otter AI to record your classes, study sessions, or group discussions. Simply click the record button before your lecture begins, and Otter AI will automatically convert the spoken words into a live transcript. If your teacher provides recorded lectures, click the import option to upload the audio or video file. Otter AI will process the file and generate a searchable transcript that you can review anytime. Next, open the completed transcript and highlight important sections, key definitions, formulas, or exam topics. You can also rename each conversation by subject, making it easier to find later. Now use the search feature to quickly locate specific words or topics instead of reading the entire transcript. This can save a lot of time when you're preparing for quizzes or exams. If you're studying with classmates, use the share option to send transcripts and notes to your group, so everyone has access to the same information. Finally, review your transcripts regularly and organize them into subjects or courses. This makes it much easier to revise important lessons before tests and assignments. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Otter AI for students step by step. You can now record lectures, organize notes, and study more efficiently with the help of AI. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this.